So lots of mga ka-J-Vlog, welcome ulit sa panibagong video. So dito tayo kay Ate Mayet ng CMB Gadgets, is called XB02 ngayong May. So maganda ba dito, hindi naman puluwi at sila ate. Check natin mga available list na dito ng mga iPhone. Let's go. Dito tayo kay Ate Mayet sa CMB Gadgets, called
Hello.
XB02, second floor, Green Hills, San Juan City. So ito ating topic, full price tayo ng mga iPhones sa kanyang shop. So hello.
Hello po mga ka-CMB Gadgets and Kenyal Telecom. So mag-price update and stock update po tayo ng pre-love ng mga iPhone. Ayan. Previous natin dito, pag bumili po kayo dito sa CMB Gadgets and Kenyal Telecom, meron po tayong 7 up to 14 days replacement warranty for factory defect only, plus 3 months service warranty only, no warranty for acid damage, water damage, and um, physical damage. Alright? May freebies po tayo dito sa CMB Gadgets and Kenyal Telecom. Full price po natin, full package po natin is meron tayong give box set na may laman po yun na AirPods na wireless, wireless na power bank, magnetic charger, fast charger, tempered glass, and meron po yung 5 cases. Then sa basic package po natin is 2 case, tempered and charger only. Aside sa freebies, meron po kayong cashback na 500 pesos pag nakafollow po kayo sa lahat ng ating social media account. And meron din po tayong on-the-spot raffle draw. Binalik na po natin ang on-the-spot na raffle draw natin na kung saan pwede po kayo manalo dyan ng ating ng iPhone, iPad, Android na budget meal, and Android na tablet. And then may cash prize pa po dyan. And meron pa po dyan na pwede nyo mapanalo na dito na AirPods at saka smartwatch. Alright? Start price po tayo dito sa 16 plus. Yan, 128 gig. Bigay ko lang po ito ng 39,000. Less cashback 538.5. Then basic package, less another 538,000. Then 256 gig. Bigay ko lang po siya ng 44,000. Less cashback 543.5. Then less another 500 sa basic package. Magiging 43,000 na lang siya. Yan, meron din tayong 15 plus. 256 gig. Bigay ko lang po ito ng 36,000. Less cashback 535.5. Less another 500 pag basic package, 35,000 na lang. iPhone 15 Plus, 128 gig, 31,000. Full package, basic package is 30,500. Less cashback 530,000. Then, meron din po tayong iPhone 15. Yan, 15, 128 gig. Bigay ko lang po siya ng 27,500. Full package, basic package is 27. Less cashback 526.5. 15 to 56 gig, 33,000. Full package. Basic package is 32,500. Less cashback 532,000. Meron din po tayong iPhone 14. iPhone 14. Yan. iPhone 14 natin, 128 gig. Bigay ko lang siya ng 20,500. Full package, basic package is 20,000. Less cashback 519.5. 14 to 56 gig. 23,500. Full package, basic package is 23,000. Less cashback 522.5. iPhone 13. 128 gig, 18,500 full package. Basic package is 18,000. Less cashback 517.5. 13, 256 gig, 20,500 full package. Basic package is 20,000. Less cashback 519.5. Then, meron din tayong iPhone 12. iPhone 12 natin, 128 gig. Bigay ko lang po ito ng 14,500 full package. Basic package is 14,000. Less cashback 513,500. 12 to 56 gig, 15,500. Full package, basic package is 15,000. Less cashback 514,500. Then, syempre, meron din po tayong iPhone 13 mini. Yan, iPhone 13 mini. 256 gig, 16,500. Full package, basic package is 16,000. Less cashback 515.5. 13 mini, 128 gig, 15,000. Full package, basic package is 14,500. Less cashback 500. 14,000. Then, meron din po tayong, meron na pong 11. Sa mga naghahanap ng iPhone 11 and 11 Pro Max, 11, 128 gig, 12,500. Full package, basic package is 12,000. Less cashback 511.5. 11 Pro Max, 64 gig, 14,000. Full package, basic package is 13,500. Less cashback 500, 13,000. Then, syempre, meron tayong iPhone XR dito. Sa XR natin, ayan, 128 gig. Bigay ko lang po siya ng 10,500. Full package, basic package is 10,000. Less cashback 509.5. XR 256 gig, 11,000. Full package, basic package is 10,500. Less cashback 500, 10,000. Sa mga naghahanap dyan ng Pro, meron tayo. Pro and Pro Max, marami po tayo dito. Meron tayong, yan, Pro. 12 Pro. 12 Pro, 128 gig, 17,500. Full package. Basic package is 17,000. Less cashback 516.5. 12 Pro, 256 gig. Bigay ko lang po yan ng 19,500. Full package, basic package is 19,000. Less cashback 518.5. Meron din tayong 13 Pro and 14 Pro. 13 Pro natin, 128 gig, 23,000. Full package, basic package is 22,500. Less cashback 522,000. 13 Pro, 256 gig, 25,000. Full package, basic package is 24,500. Less cashback 524,000. Then meron tayong 14 Pro, 128 gig, 29,000 full package. Basic package is 28,500. Less cashback 528,000. 14 Pro, 256 gig, 31,000 full package. Basic package is 30,500. Less cashback 530,000. 16 Pro, 128 gig, 41,000 full package. Basic package is 40,500. Less cashback 540,000. 16 Pro, 256 gig, 46,000. Full package, basic package is 45,500. Less cashback 545,000. Then sa Pro Max natin, meron tayong Pro Max, 16 Pro Max. Ito muna. 17 Pro Max, ayan. Ito 17 Pro Max natin, medyo dumami yung 17 Pro Max natin. 17 Pro Max natin, 256 gig, low block, 72,000. Full package, basic package is 71,500. Less cashback 571,000. 17 Pro Max, 256 gig, open line or factory unlock, 76,000. Full package, basic package is 75,500. Less cashback 575,000. Meron tayong 4 na piraso na lang dito na 17 Pro Max. Ito. And meron tayong 16 Pro Max, 1 terabyte, 61,000. Full package, basic package is 60,500. Less cashback 560,000. 256 16 Pro Max, 50,000 full package. Basic package is 49,500. Less cashback 549,000. Meron din po tayo 15 Pro Max. 15 Pro Max, 256 gig. Bigay ko lang po siya ng 40,000. Full package, basic package is 49,500. Less cashback 539,000. 15 Pro Max, 512 gig. 45,000. Full package, basic package is 44,500. Less cashback 544,000. Siyempre, meron din tayong iPhone 14 Pro Max. 14 Pro Max natin dito sa CMB Gadgets. Meron akong smart lock. 28,000. Less cashback 527,500. Smart lock, 128 gig. Then, syempre, meron tayong 256 gig na 14 Pro Max. 14 Pro Max, 256 gig, 35,500. Full package, basic package is 35,000. Less cashback 534,500. So, 128 ng 14 Pro Max natin is 31,000. Full package, basic package is 30,500. Less cashback 530,000. Available din po ang 13 Pro Max natin dito sa CMB Gadgets and Kaniel Telecom. 13 Pro Max, 128 gig, 25,500. Full package, basic package is 25,000. Less cashback 500, 24,500. 13 Pro Max, 256 gig, 29,500 full package. Basic package is 29,000. Less cashback 500, 28,500. Meron din po tayong 12 Pro Max. 12 Pro Max natin, 128 gig. Meron po tayong 256 gig and 512 gig. 12 Pro Max, 128 gig, 20,000 full package. Basic package is 19,500. Less cashback 519,000. 12 Pro Max, 256 gig, 22,000 full package. Basic package is 21,500. Less cashback 521,000. 12 Pro Max, 512 gig, 24,000 full package. Basic package is 23,500. Less cashback 500, 23,000. So, yan yung full price update ng ating pre-love na iPhone. Stock update at the same time. Sa mga naghahanap din ng mga pre-love na Samsung, marami tayo dito. Yan, pre-love na Android na budget meal, pre-love na iPad. May mga brand new tayo na iPhone and iPad. Available po yan dito sa CMB Gadgets and Kenyal Telecom. Location natin dito sa Tiange Green Hills F, second floor Center Mall, Green Hills, San Juan City. Stall number XB02, landmark natin, always remember, pababa na escalator sa may snack booth dyan. And syempre, meron din po tayong permanent shop. Located po ito sa second floor. Located po ito sa third floor. Mall Green Hills, San Juan City. Then sa Cubao branch po natin, located po ito sa third floor, New Farmers Plaza. So sa mga gusto pong magpa-ship via LBC, nationwide, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, pwede po tayo magpa-ship dyan. Shipping fee not free. Then sa delivery naman, pwede tayo sa cash on delivery or same-day delivery within Metro Manila or nearby through our trusted rider. Delivery fee not free. And then sa mode of payment naman natin, pwede tayo sa cash, bank transfer, GCash, or credit card. And then installment option natin, pwede tayo sa GGives, credit cards, pay later, Skyro, and BillAce. So yon, sa mga gusto mag-inquire, mag-PM lang po kayo sa ating FB page, CMB Gadgets. May verified by Meta, blue check na maliit sa gilid. So, ayun. Sa mga gusto rin magpa-swap or magbenta ng brand new or second hand, pwede po yan dito sa CMB Gadgets and Kenyal Telecom. Mag-PM lang po kayo sa ating Facebook page ng CMB Gadgets. So, again, thank you po and see you po. Bye!